Good morning, guys! I will get ready. So I want to straighten my hair. I did not wash my hair today, so yes, I will straighten it using my new straightener that I got from GHD. It's from GHD Platinum. This is gifted to me by GHD, so thank you GHD for this one. Best in Beauty Awards 2015, In Style winner 2016. The packaging is lit. You open it like that, and then you will see the actual product right here. Looks really sleek. It comes with this one. I think it is the heat-proof like protector thingy. It also came with this, the instruction manual. I also like that it came in an Australian PowerPoint, so I don't have to use adapter. You guys know that I have been using hair straightener more often now because of my short hair. Okay, so I plugged it in, and then you turn it off right here. No, turn it on. Oh! Did you hear that? Wow! You guys, it made a noise. Wait, let me turn it off and then turn it back on and see if... Wait, maybe you need to long press it. When you turn it off and on, it will make a sound, which is really cool. That is so lit right there. Okay, while waiting for that... What? Oh, it made a noise again. I think that means it's ready. Wow, that's quick. Because it was blinking before and now it stopped blinking. It's like right there. So I think that means it's ready. This is the heat protectant that I use. Heidi's Heat Styles Heat Protectant Spray. Because my hair is so thin, I can just divide it into two sections and then start straightening this part right here. I will go ahead and go. This looks really legit. Like, I really like the way it looks. It feels heavy because it looks like badass. It goes on the hair really easily. Oh, I like this. I'm just gonna continue straightening my hair and then I'll show you guys the result in a bit. You guys, I'm done. I really like it. It straightened my hair really fast. I like that it's very easy to use and it's very quick. I will leave their links below. That's the GHD Platinum and I like it. Now let's turn it off. I like that. Parang laptop lang or phone lang. Nice. Hey you guys, I just finished filming my disappointing Chakang products video. I'm not sure which video will be up first. I'm pretty sure this vlog will be up first. But, oh no, I did not know. But yeah, I just finished doing that. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing this choker na binigay sa akin ni ng subscriber. Thank you so much. And then I'm wearing this top that I got from Ice, yung nag-close na store na sobrang daming sale kasi nag-close na sila. This is only $1, you guys. And the weather is perfect. Sabi ni Dan, ano daw, magdi-dinner din kami. Magdi-dinner daw kami somewhere. So, lalakadin na daw namin. Hindi siya ganun kalayo. Parang malapit sa bahay ng kuya niya. Lalakadin namin doon. Magdi-dinner kami doon. Kasi ang ganda ng weather. It's a perfect, you know, walking weather. So, we will do that today. Really?
Mm-hmm. Keep on filming.
I'm filming, yeah.
Keep on filming.
Keep on filming? What did you say earlier? What did you say?
Hand off the dog. Let's go.
Oops. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Maglalakad kami. We will go to the pub. Yung parang bar. Ganun. Kakain kami doon. Pero lalakarin namin kasi maganda yung weather. It's cold.
We're gonna walk, we'll warm up.
Yeah.
That's why I wash shorts, because your legs will move.
Let's check the pavement. We'll see if they still have. Nah, they should, right?
Of course they should.
Yeah, it's gonna be there forever.
Yeah, until we break up and get
Until we break up. Until we break up and you replace it with.
Until next week.
Until next week. We're breaking up next week. Hello, wait, where's the pavement?
Up here.
Okay. Oh, that looks cool. Ah, look at that. We're here at, what is this, babe? Cooper's?
No, it's the Tower Hotel.
Tower Hotel. This is the menu. And you guys, I still have my tag on. Ngayon lang yan tinanggal. Buti na naka-jacket ako kanina papunta dito kasi kung wala, exposed yung tag. Pero paghubad ko ng jacket, buti na nakita niya. $14.95 per $1 lang pala. Meron silang salad bar doon, you guys. And then, yeah, galing na kami doon. He got salad. I don't like those. And then we got bread. and butter. That's it. Yummers. I was actually expecting like really huge prawns because it says, yeah, Australian king prawns. I got the Australian king prawns with garlic sauce, and then he got the beef. Beef? Is that beef,
That
babe?
should be chicken.
It's beef. She said beef.
I don't know.
No. Are you sure?
Yeah.
He ordered chicken and then he got beef. You like it though?
Yeah.
Okay. It's up to you. I would complain. I wore the Beeper liquid lipstick and it did the same thing. Same as the R&B. Look at this. Di ko napansin kanina, nakalimutan ko. Color Pop pala tong suot ko. I was not gonna wear this. I just forgot that I have Color Pop lipstick on. Because it leads outside the lip lines like crazy. It's not as bad as the other shade, but still. We're done eating. Dito kami sa Poke area. Pag pupunta kami ng pub, lagi siyang pumupunta sa dumadaan sa mga ganito, and he will spend like $5.
And lose.
And
lose.
And lose, yeah, and lose $5. I still don't get this game. Actually, itong pub na to, maraming tao. Like, usually matatanda. Like, look at them. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to film them, but hello. Yung isang lalaki doon sa likod, nanalo siya. Ang daming, lumabas na coins dyan, no? He's lucky. We're home. Ang aga pa, wala pang 7. Yung lips ko, okay na siya. Parang tinouch up ko siya kanina. Hindi naman as in touch up. Tinanggal ko lang yung the dinner was great. Yeah. Oh, you guys! Look at this. I got this from banggood.com. And look how social. Look how social. I really like. Tapos, I posted on Instagram as well. Yung nail polish organizer. Tapos, yung brush holder. Bongga. Ang gaganda ng mga acrylics nila doon. Umulan kanina. Umulan kanina. Paglabas namin sa pub. Umulan. Buti na lang suot ko yung aking, yung jacket ko na pang ulan. Na pang ulan. Itong choker na to, choker talaga siya. Nag-choke niya talaga ako. I'm gonna wear you again tomorrow. Choker. Love. Tapos pupunta ako ng city bukas. I-meet ko si Kat at saka si Ann. Oh gosh, I need to remember to bring my gift para kay Ann. Hala you guys, ngayon ko pala ibibigay kay Dan yung gift. Wait. Tsaka ng mata ko. Ni-remove ko kasi yung eye makeup ko, yung mascara ko, using yung cleansing oil. Anyway, na-wrap ko na yung gift ko para kay Dan. Ito pa yung wrapper na binili niya. Hindi niya binili, pero siya nagbayad. Nagpunta kami sa cheapest chip, siya nagbayad nito. Kasi ito yung sobra ng wrapper ng gift ko kay Ann. So, yeah, na-wrap ko na ibibigay ko sa kanya mamaya. Or siguro itatago ko, tapos kasi kapag nakita niyo to parang wala lang. Kasi hindi siya parang, parang hindi naman siya parang gift. Like, parang wala lang siya. I just wanted like something plain. So, bibigay ko sa kanya mamaya. I will wash my face. You guys, ibigay na natin to kay Dan. Hala, hindi ko pa naman napakita sa inyo kung ano ito. Pero makikita nyo mamaya. May video ko siya na-open. Oh my gosh, ang dilim. Wait. Wait, hindi ako makakita. Nandun siya, nanunood ng ewan ko. I have something for you, babe.
Is this my birthday present?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is it a trick present?
No. It's a true present.
Oh, I think I will.
Can you open it? This is the gift. It's like that. Did you like it?
Sorry?
Did you like it?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Good morning! Hello guys! Papunta ako ng city. Imi-meet ko si Kat at saka si Ann. Nandito yung gift ko para kay Ann. And I'm wearing, this is not the same white top as kahapon, you guys. Yung sinot ko kahapon, i-defend talaga yung sarili. Yung sinot ko kahapon, V. Tapos ito, parang round neck. This is from Supre. I will show you guys my outfit. Yes, just 1 second. Ooh. Naiwanan ko yung lights na naka-on. Wait. Halang hirap nito ipakita sa inyo. So, ito yung outfit ko. So, yung white top from Supre. The choker that I got from a subscriber. Thank you so much. I like it. And then, leggings. Just simple black leggings. Wala pa akong shoes. I will be wearing my Forever 21 black flats. And then, ito is from Cotton On. Pero nabili ko to sa ukay-ukay sa Savers. But yeah, that's my outfit of the day. And then sa aking face, I have on the ColourPop Dopey, yung lip liner. Blush is the Too Faced, yung Sweethearts blush. Highlight, very slight lang na highlight. It's from Too Faced as well. Bagong highlight. O, diba? Yung Candlelight na parang, I forgot the shade. Warm Glow? No, I'm not sure. But yeah, just very subtle. The last time I checked, my bus will arrive in 20 minutes. I should, oh, dang. Yung ano, magbabackpack pala ako today. Or magbabag. Hindi ko alam. Papunta na ako sa bus stop. You guys, this weather though, living. Ganda pala ng ganitong weather. Parang malamig yung hangin pero mainit si sun. So, perfect. The last time I checked, yung ano, yung bus darating in 10 minutes. So, I can take my time. Ito pala yung suot kong shoes. It's not the most comfortable shoes, but it's alright. I can live with it. Konting tiis, ganon. Dito ako with Kat. We ordered nasi goreng. Same, yung chicken. Ha?
Nag-crave ako sa nasi goreng.
Ah, talaga? Yummers. I have iced tea, tapos si Kat, aloe vera. Dito kami sa Priceline. Oo nga. Nice.
Masyado siyang mataas.
Look at that. Yeah, pero okay lang kasi may expose naman dito. Okay lang siguro. Pero kung mataas, Hala, ito sa nail polish.
Yeah, I have one. Kasi ito, na ano na siya, na pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Tapos,
Very nice. I like
this one.
Oo. Yan, kompleto na. Hala, meron akong ganito.
Ganyan.
Galing din sa Banggood. Maganda din siya. Hihintay namin si Anne. Paano daw siya? Pababa na daw siya ng bus. And I will catch Pokemon. Sabi daw, dami daw Pokemon dito. So, tingnan natin. Parang hindi pa nag-update. Siguro yung internet ko mahina.
Mahina yung internet.
Nakatingin siya si Kuya. Anong ganap ng buhay mo dyan, te?
Sasalita ka parang ng camera.
Ayun, diba? Dami nakita nyo yan! Oh my gosh. Okay. You guys, I need to catch these. Tignan nyo si Anne. Nandun siya, oh. Nahuli ng Pokemon.
Celebrity.
Saan na siya pupunta? Ang ganda na outfit niya.
Nanguhuli ng Pokemon.
Ayaw. Wala siya kausap. Dito lang kami, ang lapit-lapit namin. Naka-headphones na ba yan? Naka-headphones siya lagi na.
Nanguhuli ka ng Pokemon, ha?
Pinilm kita.
Yeah.
Yeah? Kami din. It's so cute. Try mo nga, Kat. Demanding.
Look it. It's $6. Sa Philippines, peso lang to. Look it. Ano siya ang XO? This one.
Yeah? Ay, hala. Ay, tingnan mo.
Yeah.
Hala, bagay sa'yo yan, Kat. Kasi Kat ka. Dito kami sa MAC. Is this a paint pot?
Yeah.
Soft ochre. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want it?
Yeah. Yes! Happy birthday!
Thank you. Kaya hindi ako naka-vlog kasi birthday.
Birthday niya. Kailan nga ulit yun? Last week?
Wednesday. May nag-comment, how old are you now? I'm 34. And I forgot my birthday.
So you're 25. Dito kami sa MAC pa rin. Hintay namin yung in-order ni Kat kasi wala daw dito. So, tinignan niya sa stock room. Yung ochre paint pot. Yes. Ganda ng lighting dito, oh. Like, really, I can film here. Lighting. Naka-bomber jacket sila dalawa.
Yeah, we're gonna dance.
Bakit? What the? Ano yun? Alo, the lighting is nice as well.
Yeah.
Look it. Dito kami sa Coco Black.
Ang ganda ka na may kakot. Oo. Ganda. Parang shiny.
Char. Pupunta ba dito si Mia?
Oo.
Okay.
Sigado kami yun na siya.
Pwede tayong kumuha na ng chair? Pupunta daw dito si Mia. Anong ulit yung Instagram niya, Kat?
Miatification.
Miatification. Oh, I like that. Miatification. I have my latte, cappuccino. Yummers. That looks really good. Yum. Latte.
Happy birthday.
Oh, yeah. This is what we saw sa ano. Kunin mo mo siya. Kunin namin si Kuya para pa-picture. Nilagyan niya ng ano. Is it caramel? I think it's caramel. Oh, that looks cool. Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah. Ito yung sa kanila.
She's vlogging. Look it. Look at she's vlogging. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Saan mo yung ilalagay, te? Nagsa-Snapchat kasi. Ala. Fail. We were not looking.
Look it.
Look it.
Teka lang, it's cold na.
Is it? Oh, hindi. I think it's not supposed to melt.
Look
Yeah, it's not supposed to melt or whatever.
Wala naman, te. Wala ba?
Ano ba yan?
Akala ko mag-melt siya. Hindi na eh. Dako na to.
Now,
Alright, let's try.
thank you. Binigyan kami ni ano. Okay, Lemon, siya pangalan mo?
Oh my God, that's so cute.
Mia.
Paano to, Mia? Ay.
Look cute.
Oh my God.
Look it.
Amoy natin.
Ay, hala.
Ang bango.
Ano to?
Lipstick. Lip tint.
Well, ano siya, parang new craze. Even sa Philippines, sikat na siya.
Ay, nakita ko to. Hala. Ang cute.
Cheers!
Yes. Ay, tatlo. Yay, thank you.
Well, I didn't bring mine, pero I have the mini one.
You have the mini one?
Oh, hala.
Are these the mini one?
Ano mini?
Ganyan lang siya, kaliit.
Ano talaga? Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Okay na sa'yo, mapakita ka? Okay na? Si Mia.
Hello!
You're so pretty.
Naya ako!
Seriously, ang ganda ng skin mo. Walang makeup.
Tapos next time, mag-vlog ka.
Ganda. Oh, she's so pretty, you guys. Binigyan niya ako ng lip tint yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Thank you.
Ayan.
Tapos ano, choker. O, diba? Ay, para namang wala yung akin. Ano sa'yo?
Ako lang. Ako lang.
Pupunta kami sa Priceline. Nakakatuwa. Oo, naalala ko siya. Naalala ko siya. Kasi pinakita niya sa akin yung screenshot ng tito niya, te. Oo. Nakakatuwa.
Akala namin Chinese.
Nakakatuwa kasi nung nag-vlog ako one time, yung tito ni Mia dumaan sa likod tapos tumingin sa camera. Dito kami sa Priceline. I'm gonna get this. Kasi 50% off siya. So, magkano na lang to, Kati Maganda?
$3.99.
$3.99. Yan. Wala, travel size. Mahal. I'm gonna vlog, babe. Hello! Nakauwi na ako sa bahay. Meron akong surpresa sa kanya, pero hindi niya alam kasi nagtatagalog ako. So, dito na, prepare ko na. Tinabulan ko lang siya ng aking bag. Tinan niyo ito, guys. Nandyan yung bag ko. Nandun siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, ipiprepare ko yung dinner namin. Pero no. And hanggang ngayon wala siyang idea. Pero, eto, binili ko kanina. Tapos nagsulat na din ako ng ano, maliit na note dito. Okay, ready? Babe! Come here. Come here!
Thank you. Okay. What is it, babe?
I don't know. Taste it.
Oh. Thanks, babe. That's nice. What do I eat it with?
A fork? Get a fork. You guys, I am cooking sweet chicken asado. Pero, wala akong star anise at saka yung 5 spice. Wala kami noon kasi nag-grocery shopping kami. Hindi ko plano na lutuin to. Kaya lang na-fail siya. Kasi nga, di ba, hindi kami nakahanap nung pork shoulder, yung mga ganon. So, ngayon, kailangan ko mag-come up ng ibang recipe. So, ito, nakita ko, chicken asado recipe. Pero, again, wala ako ng 5 spice or star anise. Ganun, wala. So, yeah, hindi ko siya lalagyan ng ganun. Hindi ko alam kung magiging asado to. I actually do not know kung ano yung asado. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung ano mga tawag sa mga food. Pero, yeah. Kasi, diba, iba. Kasi nga, iba yung sa Tagalog at saka sa Bisaya. Hindi ko alam. Pero, ganito yung itsura niya. I need to simmer it for 35 minutes. So, dyan lang siya. Tapos, wala pa akong chicken broth. So, yung ginamit ko, beef broth. Di ko alam kung anong magiging resulta nitong aking niluluto today. Pero, yeah. Whatever. Yun lang yung meron kami. So, you gotta work with all you have, right? Sobrang nagustuhan ni Dan yung ano. Did you like it? Chocolate, whatever that is? Yes. delicious. Siya lang, inubos niya lahat. As I naubos. This is what my chicken asado is looking like right now. Ooh, I have my ano pala, mask, yung rub-in mask, yung merong, yung gelato. Yeah. Parang luto na to. Kaya lang yung rice ko, nakalimutan ko. So, kakaluto ko lang ng rice. Matagal pa yan. Pero, tinikman ko siya and parang lang siyang adobo. Pero mas matamis. Hindi ko alam. Siguro yung 5 spice at saka yung star anise yung nagiging asado. Like, what makes it asado, you know? Pero dahil wala ako nun, parang adobo siya na matamis. Okay lang naman. Masarap din naman yung adobo. Parang na-stressed na. Ano kayang ginagawa nito? Parang nagre-respond siya sa mga email. Tapos parang stress siya ng konti. Anyway, luto na yung asado. Lulutuin ko yung ano niya. Ibibake ko yung kanyang lunch for tomorrow, yung capsicum. Yes. This is our dinner. The asado na parang adobo na hindi ko maintindihan but looks good. And yummers. You guys, I will close the vlog as well because I think sobrang haba na itong vlog na to. I will watch The Bachelor later on. Is it good, babe?
It's beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes! Okay, bye! Good night! Be good!